So I open the floor for Dr. Himmler, and I'm looking forward to his presentation.
So, thank you for the introduction and welcome to my presentation about green building certification system LEED. First of all, I would like to give you a short overview over my presentation. First of all, I would like to answer the question, why do we need certification? Then I will talk about the LEED system. And then I will go more into detail on the example of a building called Greenworks, which is under certification at the moment. And finally, I will give you a summary of my presentation. Yeah, why do we need building certification? It's quite strange. If you go into a supermarket and you buy some food, you will always get this small list of ingredients. So you are well informed what you get for your money. If you buy a building or an apartment, which is much more expensive, of course, than such food, you actually don't know what you get. You don't know anything about the energy consumption, you don't know anything about the water consumption, you don't know about the quality of the material which is used in the building, you don't know if the air quality in the building harms your health. So this is quite strange actually, and this is the basic idea of building certification, to make these aspects more transparent. So basically, building certification is an evaluation of the green performance of a building. Dr. Erten already mentioned that there are several building certification systems on the market now. The most well-known are the BREEAM, which is the oldest system. Then we have the latest system, the DGNB system, which is, I think, the most advanced certification system. And then we have the LEED system, which is the most well-known system worldwide. And I will talk about this system in my presentation. So the question is, how can we measure green performance? In all certification systems, it's quite similar. We have to address different green topics, for example, site planning, water management, energy, and so on. All systems, and also the LEED certification system, distinguish between different building uses. So, for example, you have homes, schools, and new construction for office buildings. And what is also very important in a certification system, it starts right at the beginning of a project and ends with the commissioning of the building. And in LEED you also have the possibility to continue through LEED for existing buildings. I will talk now about LEED core and shell and new construction. And I will go now more into detail. So here you can see the different topics which are addressed in LEED for new construction. We have sustainability of the construction sites. The water consumption of a building is analyzed. The energy consumption of a building is analyzed. The materials and resources, the indoor environmental quality, innovation and design, and regional priority. And for each of these topics you are getting points. And in the end of the certification, the points are counted together, and then you get your certification level. In LEED, we have 4 levels. If you reach 40 points, your building is certified. If you reach 50 points, you get LEED silver, then 60 points, for 60 points you get LEED gold. And for platinum, LEED platinum, you need 80 points. And then you can, for example, use such a label and put it in the front of your building to show the people that this is a green and sustainable building. So how does the LEED management process?
Ja, das brauchst du jetzt auch nicht mehr austauschen.
Oh, sorry.
You should have it on the console.
Okay. Shall I continue?
Yes, please.
Yeah, no, it's a Ukrainian version here, the English
We have
version.
the Ukrainian version.
That's the reason why I could read it so easily. Good, huh? Yep, okay, thank you very much.
That was easy.
Okay, now
So
it's
now the
getting harder.
challenge starts.
Okay, how does the LEED management process work? First of all, you have the design team, which consists of the building owner, the architect, the HVAC engineer, the structural engineer, the contractor, and then comes the LEED consultant into the game. Together with the design team, he has to define the goal which shall be achieved, for example, LEED Gold or LEED Platinum, and then the consultant will try to analyze the building design and try to find out which credits are most or easy to reach. And then he will tell his concept to the design team, and then they start to submit their design documents, which can be drawings, calculations, reports, and also they have to make signatures. These signatures are important because the whole LEED certification system bases on trust, because there's nobody coming from the US to check the actual building. The whole certification system bases on the documents that you are uploading to the LEED online platform. So the task of the consultant is to convert the documents which he receives from the design team into a LEED compatible format. This is, of course, it has to be in English language. You have convert all the units from SI units to American units, which makes the whole thing quite complicated. And then on a regular basis, for example, after finishing the design or after finishing the construction, you will get a review, and then you have the possibility to correct your documentation, or you can go for other LEED credits. And then, in the end of the process, the building will be last time certified, and then you will receive your LEED ranking from the GBCI, from the Green Building Certification Institute. So the LEED consultant does not give the certification, he's only consulting the team how to reach their goal. So now I would like to give you an example. It's a building called Greenworks. It's located in Vienna, in Austria. It's an office building. It has a floor area of 19,000 square meters. It consists of 4 building blocks. We are certifying it according LEED Core and Shell. And the goal is to achieve LEED Platinum. The current status of the construction site is shown in the pictures. So the windows are already mounted. The insulation will follow soon. And now I would like to go more into detail and into the different topics. The first topic is the sustainability of the construction site. So we have to analyze where the building is located. And you can see now all the single credits are listed here, and you can see the points that you get for each single credit, and they are so-called prerequisites, where you don't get any points because you have to fulfill these prerequisites, otherwise your building will not be allowed for the certification. So in this example, it's the construction activity pollution prevention, which means you have to protect the ecosystem from your construction process. For example, you have to use some kind of dust protection, or you have to have a stormwater management system during the construction. Now I would like to talk about the credit development density and community connectivity. The basic idea of this credit is to reduce the impact of traffic on the ecosystem. So you have to show that you have all kind of different institutions and shops in a walking distance from the building, so you don't have to take your car to get to a hotel or to get to the post office. And the aim is to have 10 of these different institution shops within a radius of half a mile. The next credit is quite similar. It's about public transportation access. Here's also the aim to reduce the traffic through public transportation access. You have to show that there is a bus station, a train station in walking distance to your building location. So these points were quite easy to fulfill for us because the building is located in the middle in the city center of Vienna. You can also earn points if you provide bicycle storage and changing rooms. So it's not enough only to have the bicycle storage, you also have to provide showers and changing rooms, and the number of showers and bicycle storage is calculated by the number of full-time employees in the building. Next topic is water efficiency in the building. There you also have different credits, and in this topic our building was really extremely good. We achieved 11 out of 10 points because we over-fulfilled the requirements. Here you can see the water management system. In the building we have waterless urinals, we have water-saving faucets. There is a grey water system, which means that we are using rainwater to flush the toilets. We are using rainwater to cool the cooling towers of the chillers, and by this we can improve the efficiency of the chillers. So we are using all kinds of different water-saving technologies, and by this we were able to reduce the water consumption of the building by 40%. The most important topic is the energy and atmosphere. This is mostly about the energy consumption of the building. You can see that you can earn up to 21 points. So this is the credit where you can earn most points. For this, you have to carry out a thermal